First, turn on the remote control. Then connect the drone to the battery. After connecting to the battery, you can see the tail lights flashing. It means that the flight controller is in the state of self-check now. Now the red light and green light are flashing slowly. Slow flashing red light indicates that the GPS signal is not strong enough. The red light does not flash, indicating that the GPS signal strength is enough. Then we look at the remote control. Double-click the desktop Agri Assistant icon. The following interface appears. Connect the Bluetooth. Click the Connect icon. The following interface appears. Wait for the display device to be connected. We now enter into the parameters setting. This is a sensor calibration interface. First, calibrate the accelerometer. Now you can see that the green light is flashing slowly. Click on the accelerometer calibration on the remote control, and now observe the blinking status of the tail lights. Wait until the green light is always on, and then flash slowly to indicate that the calibration has been completed. Click Finish. Now calibrate the magnetic compass. Magnetic compass calibration requires rotating the drone horizontally and then turning after headed down. Now click on the compass calibration, and first see that the tail light is a solid yellow light. Then take the drone and rotate it horizontally for more than one circle, and now see the green light is always on. Then turn the drone head down. Place on level ground after more than one rotation. Tail light flashes until green light flashes slowly. If the non-green light flashes slowly, it means the calibration has failed. Repeat the above steps until the magnetic compass calibration is good as displayed on the remote control. Click Finish. At this point, the magnetic compass calibration is over. After calibration, we need to power off and reconnect the battery. After reconnecting, please check the tail light flashing situation. It is normal until the green light flashes slowly. We can install the propeller now. Now installed on the number 1 motor. The number 1 motor is rotating counterclockwise, so this propeller needs to be rotated clockwise to install yet. Next, install it on the number 3 motor, which also rotates counterclockwise, so this propeller needs to be rotated clockwise to install yet. Then there is the number 2 motor. The number 2 motor is clockwise, so the propeller needs to be rotated counterclockwise to install yet. Finally, there is the number 4 motor. The number 4 motor is clockwise, so the propeller should be installed counterclockwise. At this point, all the propellers have been installed. Now we observe that the tail light flashing state is green light flashing slowly. In this state, the drone can take off. We can use the remote control to start unlocking. Each joystick needs to be operated with 2 fingers. To unlock, we need to push the joystick down first. Push in again at the same time until the propeller turns. The unlock is complete now. Then slowly return the operating joystick to the center, and the operation of the remote control must pay attention to the slow operation. Then push the left stick throttle up and push it slowly until the drone takes off. The first step reaches a height of about 5 meters. It is now in attitude mode. The drone is a little unstable when flying. We can dial this into GPS mode. Unlock takeoff in attitude mode. Change to GPS mode after takeoff. In GPS mode, the drone will be more stable when flying. Next, let's operate the remote control to see if the flight is correct. Now we operate the right joystick up and down. Observe the pitch of the drone. Pitch forward. Pitch back. Then operate the right joystick left and right. Observe the drone roll. Left roll. Right roll. Then go back to the center. Then operate the left joystick left and right. Try the yaw of the drone. Turn right. When we turn back, the tail of the plane is still facing us. When flying, the tail of the plane is generally facing us. Now push the throttle joystick. Throttle up, up. Throttle down, down. Then go forward, backward, left, right, back. Landing, slowly push down the left joystick throttle to make it land smoothly. After landing, pull the joystick to the bottom until the propeller stops rotating, then the lock is successful. The whole test flight process is over. Don't turn off the remote control at this time. Before shutting down, we need to disconnect the power of the drone. Then turn off the remote control again.